Penpen Paidbah ia ke Phlim Lyngkha Bneng bala sandur bat penmi do ba Pradip Kurba unong thau Phlim bapau nam ke Meghalaya ha Soso Tham Auditorium State Central Library Shillong naduk kan riu terik haduk ke khatway terik uluber arhajar arpun riu. Habakren cikilat pathai Khubor ha kasau terik uluber arhajar arpun riu ha Shillong Press Club away nicketing shop jongani ke Phlim uba Melvin Jude Mukim bat u director jongani ke Phlim uba Pradip Kurba kilaweri ki Paidbah nong shnong ke jela banwan pej yakani ke Phlim ke bala peni Paidbah ru shaki way pat kiri jong ke perthai.
Siawan bani kendu angin tasi keren kendiat halor ka Phlim Lyngkha Bneng kaman sami mentamo kaban sapalai nadu henriu tarik jong benai march adu khatway tarik benai march kapor kalong khat arbj mensngi architeng bat san chiteng janmit te kawairu kalong ba yaki ki dor jong tiket su ni kwa ban penbana kenang bakandon ke jingshai ka dor jong ki tiket kalong shispa sampau tengka bar arspa sampau tengka but namar bungi kwa palat ban encourage mo ban aiman sim yaki khana puli kham tam bakinwan ya ka dor tiket namta jongki ni bu tang shispa tengka but ni kerpat yaki khana puli ki kwa banwan ban shura lang bat ka id jongki ba kan suk ka room kami jongki ke namar ni la don be ki teams belong dedicated ban pet ya ka comfort jongki ke
hanglo fin screen
ho te ya kani ka film screen po Soso Tham Auditorium State Central Library
but also we got confusion namta kan real ber khandai trick dan tiket show suka ul chai go ba tiket kereta namta show bukan RBJ bahkan real bukan RBJ dan tiket show ba khandai trick ketika show bukan RBJ dan tiket riki isi tiket kita don mar kini isi kedik bagi Bneng school gila book ka show
ketika ek ba ngir ni akbi nanti but ni kermen be hi ru bakin wan namar kuma ngidang sudah ya keren mentan kalau ke bokongsan ba larang ikwa ban kiu kani ka culture jong ka cinema mo te ngidon kam ban ya kendu ban ya merging mood ban ya ther ban ya sotu ya ka process jong ka film making kan ten dala don kumta na ka por shakopor na try ka jing tip ban appreciate ya ka cinema ru kan kham kiu kan
ketika Lyngkha Bneng
Lyngkha Bneng ko
shino fila the screen ni fin
kani kala ya ikeleng nadu na po Moscow Russia Saint Petersburg Russia Philippines or Sri Lanka dan ho apo Pune International Film Festival ho te ki jaka both international nationally kala screen ni but menta pada ketika jingdap jikmen ke bakral menta jungi ba finally menta ni yo wan rai ka film namta ki Paidbah la jong jungi kan ngatrai kata income biang ba Pradip namar ila rabi kali yang na ka experience ka junga ka jingdon chapo Yaroslav Sharasha kadai ke ke ba hadu ka perlingo mo namar ba ngi klem expect kan ba ka film khasi baki brio shathi can relate kumaki relate ya ka kan but kapan iru yang ni ba teng kam dai su tang ka kentien te hanrai ka content jong film ko bala ban pen kren dal dia kan but ka jingya thu khana shpang ka film dala kut da ka jingya mirjingmut na so ka shongkhya du ka ta but ka ai ka jing ka yangi kum ki artist ba ke ingi di ban expect institute like train
yeah why not I think we should have I think a film school is so important that we need to have because I have been when I was in Pune I was in Kerala I met lots of people who are from our region who are studying cinema in that place so I talk to them like what are your future plans so I always tell them like unless you guys don't come back to our state and start making cinema then the growth it will not grow we need more filmmakers we need more technicians from the other parts of the students who are studying in other parts of the country but at the same time I think like I heard that the government is planning to come out with its own film school I think that is something good like for the students or whoever is interested in this field.
Where do we lack if we talk about
lag is that's what like Melvin has just mentioned we need to have that cinema culture it's so important why we are encouraging the students to come to watch to come and watch our films, so that we get a chance to meet them, to talk with them and discuss about it, to encourage them, like, you know, cinema is very important in today's time, like, you know. I think we need that cinema culture, and that cinema culture cannot come, like, you know, depending that the government will do something. No, we as, it's our responsibility also as people, like, you know, if we want this to grow, we need to come together and do it together. That the film is set in 2047. So, like, you know, everyone was asking me why futuristic, why 2047. But the idea about it is, like, you know, I just want, like, our people to see that don't let 2047 be the way I've been showing the film. So, you know, what I'm showing in the film, I've shown, like, how these villages are getting affected because of urban migration and how we are losing the sense of community. So don't let that to happen in 2047.
I mean, the dichotomy we pay for movies and the category of movies you are producing.
See, now I don't know about other filmmakers, like, you know, now with the coming of Meghalaya, with so many filmmakers, they have been sanctioned with some projects, and I believe there are projects that are based on folklore and all. Like, we hope, like, you know, maybe in the next 1 year we're going to see some good cinema coming out from our state. But that's one more thing which is very important is, like, you know, I always say to my fellow filmmakers, don't take your audience for a ride. Don't take, like, you just expect, like, you make anything the audience, you expect the audience to come. They will not come. Seeing the footfall nowadays in theatres has gone down so drastically. Now we have to question ourselves why it's going down. Maybe there's something wrong with the kind of content we're making, or there's something wrong with the films that we're making. So we have to look into that. Like, you know, I think the other filmmakers also need to look into that. Like, you know, what's the problem? Like, you know, whether people are not actually coming to theatres. We cannot just blame OTT platform for that. You know, because the beauty of watching cinema in a proper theatre is different than watching on your mobile or laptop.